Hi guys, I will show you how to download a free website template and install it on your local server. The channel has a video on how to install a local server. Subscribe and like this video. So, follow the link in the description. As you can see at the top of the page, there are free templates. They can be downloaded and installed on your local server. They can be edited, shown to the client and then hosted, for example. There are a lot of options. Select the site and start downloading. Choose the will save the archive and save it. After the site is downloaded, we extract it from the archive. Cut the folder with the site and go to the folder with Open Server, filter to the Domains folder. Insert, start Open Server, see My Project. Here it is, our site. It is already on a local server on your computer. Click and it opens in the browser. You can see its name. As we can see, the site works exactly the same as if it were on the internet. Open Server is a very handy tool. If you have development skills, you can easily remake such site on the needs of the client. You can easily show the client how your product will look like and only then place it on a paid hosting. In the folder with the site, we see the entire structure of the site. It is not complicated and has the same appearance on sites of this type. For example, a folder with all the pictures. If you replace the picture in it, it will change on the site, but the dimensions, format and name should remain the same. Only the image itself can change. This folder contains a JavaScript file. It gives movement to the site a folder with libraries, for example, responsible for code execution. The site is built on the Bootstrap platform. CSS is also an integral part. It is responsible for how web pages look. The color of the background and decorative elements, the size and style of fonts. I also forgot to go into the index.html file. This is, as it were, the basic of the site, its skeleton or directory. The simplest site can only consist of this file. but where will be only text, without pictures, animations and fonts. Subscribe and like this video. Bye guys.